Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm not really gonna do anything about my channel. I'm just gonna. So there's this new guy. He's my friend. He just started making new videos and stuff. So I would like you to support him and subscribe to his YouTube channel. His YouTube channel name is Nature22. So yeah. Please support him because he's new to YouTube. Yep. And he would appreciate all your support. Okay, bye.